When comparing Zelle versus Venmo, it's important to understand how they differ in everyday and international money transfers. If you're wondering about Zelle versus Venmo for overseas transfers, here's a simple breakdown. How does Zelle work? Zelle connects directly with your US bank account, letting you send money instantly via your bank's mobile app or at www.zellepay.com. No app download is necessary if your bank supports it. Just use the recipient's email or US phone number. However, Zelle money transfer only works within the US, no international transfers. Venmo, owned by PayPal, allows sending money domestically through its app. Unlike Zelle, Venmo offers a social media-like interface, and it can be used to purchase items or transfer money to a bank. Unfortunately, Venmo doesn't currently support overseas transfers either unless you link it to PayPal. Alright, let's dive into the top 10 unique features of Zelle that make it stand out from the crowd. First up, transfers are embedded within your bank app, so there's no need to log in to a separate app. Pretty convenient, right? Next, there's no balance holding. Your money goes directly to your bank. Zelle also boasts advanced fraud monitoring through its partner banks, which is a huge plus. You can even schedule future transfers if your bank supports it. And speaking of banks, Zelle integrates better with credit unions, making it a more versatile option. Send limits vary per bank, and some offer higher limits than Venmo, which is something to consider. Plus, you can receive money without enrolling. Just a one-time email verification does the trick. Zelle is also less likely to freeze funds compared to Venmo. There's no social feed either, which is ideal for those who value their privacy. And lastly, the user interface is less cluttered thanks to bank-level integration. So, those are the top 10 unique features of Zelle. Pretty impressive, don't you think? Alright, let's dive into the top 10 unique features of Venmo that you might not usually hear about. First, there's in-app crypto buying and selling. You can also use QR code payments for in-person transactions. The Venmo debit card earns you cash back on purchases. Shared purchase splits come with reminders, making it super convenient. Adding emojis and notes makes it more engaging and fun. Purchase protection is available for buyers. Venmo integrates seamlessly with Uber, Amazon, and food delivery apps. You can transfer funds to linked PayPal accounts. There's an option to buy via direct deposit paycheck. And lastly, the Venmo Friends feed allows for better social visibility. Now let's talk about fees. For Zelle, transfers cost $0. On the other hand, Venmo offers free standard transfers but charges 1.75% for instant bank transfers. So, what's the best use for each? Use Zelle for fast private US payments via your bank. Venmo, on the other hand, is ideal for lifestyle payments, splitting bills, and earning rewards. For updates, make sure to check www.zellepay.com and www.venmo.com.